How to fix Snapchat map location not updating. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix your Snapchat map location not updating. So what here you need to do is you can ensure you have an active internet connection. So go to settings on your device and locate network and internet. Go to internet section, and here you could simply go ahead and make sure to check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. While you're in the same section, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look apps, locate Snapchat, make sure that you have permissions and enable location as your permission as well. While you're in the same section, you also want to make sure to go to storage and cache, clear cache, and this should also definitely help you out. Now, what I want you to do is simply close all the background running app on your device, hold on to your side button, and then restart the device. That should also help you out. Sometimes a simple restart can fix glitch as well. If nothing works out, you know what to do next. Just head over to your Play Store or an App Store. Try updating the app as well and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Despite doing all these procedures, if nothing works out, you know what you do. What you would do is just go ahead and open the app and then just uninstall it, reinstall the app, and that should definitely help you out as well. So these are a couple of things you could try. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.